Hello, document creators. Today, we'll walk through the simple process of changing margins in your Google Docs. Whether you're working on a current document or want to set default margins for all future creations, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Access page setup. Navigate to the File tab in the menu. Step 2. Open page setup. Click on Page Setup from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Modify margin values. In the Page Setup dialog, locate the Margins section. Step 4. Update the values in the Margins text field according to your preferences. Step 5. Set default margins. For consistent margins in all future Google Docs, find and click on the option provided mentioning setting margins for future docs. Step 6. Confirm changes. Click OK to confirm your selected margin adjustments. Adjusting document margins in Google Docs is a breeze with these simple steps. Whether for a specific document or as a default setting, you now have the tools to customize margins effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others navigating the world of Google Docs. Happy document editing!